Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Duolingo Math. This app makes learning numbers genuinely enjoyable for everyone. To begin, simply open your Duolingo app and tap the flag icon in the upper left corner. From there, you will see an option to add a new course. Select Math, and then you can choose between a beginner or an intermediate learning path to suit your current skill level. It's a straightforward way to start your math journey. Duolingo math lessons are designed to be quick and fun, often lasting less than 1 minute each. You will practice essential math concepts such as multiplication, division, fractions, and geometry. The app uses interactive exercises, allowing you to manipulate virtual clocks or blocks to understand concepts like telling time or representing fractions. This hands-on approach helps make complex ideas much clearer and more engaging for learners of all ages. One of Duolingo Math's standout features is its adaptive system, which customizes exercises based on your performance. This ensures you are always challenged appropriately. You can track your progress through daily streaks, experience points, and various achievements, which provide great motivation. The app also focuses on practical, real-world applications, helping you develop skills for everyday tasks like calculating tips or comparing prices, making math truly useful. To truly master math with Duolingo, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least one short lesson each day to build a strong habit. Pay attention to the app's feedback, as it highlights areas where you might need more work, allowing you to focus your efforts effectively. Additionally, explore the new puzzles and challenges, such as Cash Dash or Secret Equation, to keep your brain sharp and make learning even more exciting. Happy calculating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.